are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you guys?
Great.
Good.
We're having a baby, so run out and get hammered.
What was that?
Said we're having a baby, so run out and get hammered. So.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. That was a joke.
Okay.
Very cool.
I wasn't sure. I was like, wait a minute. I was like, okay.
You're just gonna go with it, huh?
Huh?
You're just gonna go with it, huh?
I was just like, okay. I was like, I'm not gonna get involved with that.
So, no eating, no drinking, no littering, and no smoking. Got it. But there's a lot of other things you can do back here.
Oh God.
You know what I mean? Like there's no, and I don't see a sign.
Oh God.
So I'm kind of short on cash. What I need you to do, can you back up? Find a convenience station, back up into a spot, keep the engine running. And when I run out, you floor it.
I might have to pass.
Alright.
I'll pass on that.
Maybe on the way back.
Maybe. Yeah.
Sound good?
Yeah, maybe. I'll think about it.
You think I'm a serious person?
No.
I just don't want you, like, having me arrested.
You're good.
Local gas, you're watching News Smart. Local gas station got robbed. We're still on the lookout.
Right.
You get it. Then you call the cops, like, I know who.
I know who it was. I know who it was. His name's Gregory.
That's my, like, full Catholic name. That's like. Which street is it on Texas?
Mhm.
Savage?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna go on the street before though because it's a one-way,
Yeah, right,
and it's gonna
right
be
on.
a lot easier for y'all to get out.
Yeah, you can drop me off on the right side. I like it. I like
Yeah, because sometimes you'll be like, oh no, you went the wrong way,
it. Like it.
and I'm just like, no, I got it. I'm just like, just trust me.
I trust you, bro.
Thank you, I
Not
appreciate it.
in all things, yeah. But
Right, but in this
Yeah,
situation,
yeah,
you know, it's
no,
trust,
it's
you
really-
trust her, you know.
Yeah, step by step.
Right. Little baby steps.
Yeah.
I get it.
So what do you do in your spare time?
Well, I go to school for
What are you studying?
business entrepreneurship.
Nice.
Thank you. I also like to go hiking and stuff, and work on computers. So I stay pretty busy.
Where do you go to school?
My office has stairs, so I like hiking too. Like I hike up the stairs to work. Is that what you do? Or?
I like to go hiking in like more mountainous environments,
Oh,
like
okay.
like
Like
Arkansas.
nature.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
nature,
Arkansas is
yeah.
nice. You
Oh,
can
yeah.
drive.
Yeah. So I might have actually. Yeah. I
It
might
has a
have.
beautiful waterfall.
Okay, I think I have been there.
And you hike
ever
down into it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then it's a pretty good hike
Yes.
back up.
Do you ever
Yes.
meet real Indians and natives?
What do you mean?
Like
Like-
tribe people
Like there?
in the woods and the trails?
No.
Right?
Funny thing though, I am Native American. 12% Native American.
Nice.
You know this because you did one of those.
Yeah, and my dad is like 35%, and then my grandfather's like half, and then it, like, you know, et cetera, et cetera. My last name is
I
actually
didn't say
Native
that
American.
to be, derogatory.
No, I know. I was just like saying, oh yeah, well, funny thing, you know. But you guys, y'all have a good time.
You too,
Y'all have a
bro.
great night.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you very much. Hope y'all enjoy y'all's night.
Thank you.
Thank
I
y'all.
thought you prefer cash versus like
Yes.
a sexual favor.
Yes.
A sexual favor.
Boy, if you don't